Here's what I'm going to say. If you're fearing failure with doing YouTube, don't be, because I'm nothing special. And I was really worried about how would I come across the very first time I did it. The camera looked good. Would the audio be right? Would the lighting be right? What if people don't like the way I look? What if people don't like the way I talk? What if people don't like my setting and environment? And once you get that first one video done, you suddenly realize, you know what? I don't care. That first video is the one that makes the difference. Once you do it, you're okay. It's like when you have to do a presentation. I was fine with doing presentations. You always have a little bit of nerves, but it never really affected me. But there were loads of people in my team and other teams that hated, or no, they didn't want to go on stage. But once I give them a prep talk or a pep talk about what they need to do and how to handle themselves, and I would often say to them, when you're talking, you don't have to make eye contact. If you want to make eye contact with anyone, you can, but it's okay to look over their heads. So you're almost talking to the horizon in the room, the far corners. Just talk, just share what you're doing. If you stumble, don't worry. Everyone stumbles. Find yourself, crack a joke if you have to. If you have to walk around, you don't have to stand in one spot. You don't have to sit there just paraphrasing off a PowerPoint presentation. Once they've been on stage, they come off it and going, I loved it. It was great. Even when they've had a bit of a bad experience, like they forgot what they were doing or their words, or they got asked a question and they weren't too sure about how to answer it. Once you do the first one, you're away. The nerves are now flattened. The nerves will always be there. Anyone that goes, I'm not nervous at all, that's rubbish. Everyone has nerves a little bit, but they will be flattened. They'll be dampened down. They're at the bottom of your gut now. Above the gut is going to be confidence to do it. So if you fear failure with doing YouTube, TikTok, or videos, even podcasts, even audio, you could do something where you release something on YouTube or somewhere where you just have like a screen with moving animation or audio sample wave bars and equalizers, and it's just your voice coming through. You could do that as well. So don't worry. Failure should not stop you.